He acts as though he dash the boss. A is, be, were, C has been. Four of the answers dash correct. A are, B were, C if she dash harder, she might have passed. A studies, B had studied, C studied. We'll wait here until he dash back. A comes, B will come, C came. Each player and coach dash present. A are, B is, C were. Why do they dash such a strange story? A, I heard. B, do I hear? C, have I heard? I wish she'd dash us yesterday. A, joined. B, had joined. C, joins. The jury dash divided in their opinion. A is, B are, C has. Not only the students, but also the teacher dash late. A were, B is, C she demanded that he dash immediately. A resign, B resigned, C resigns. No sooner had he arrived dash. It started raining. A, then, B, when, C, and the news, quite shocking. A, are, B, were, C, is. It's high time you dash responsible. A, become, B, became, C, have become. Only I dash more careful. A was, B had been, C. The teacher made him dash the work again. A, to do. B, do. C, doing. This room needs dash. A, painting. B, to be painted. C, both A and B. He speaks as if he'd dash everything. A knows, B knew, C know. She insisted that she dashed not guilty. A was B, is C, B. I'd rather you dash now. A, go. B, went. C, had gone. Oh, next year, he'd dash in this firm for a decade. A will be working. B will work. C will have worked. Had he tried harder, he'd dash succeeded. A would have. B had. C would have. She said she'd dash the movie before. A saw. B had seen. C has seen. The manager demanded that the report dash by today. A, be submitted. B, is submitted. C, was submitted. I object you're dash late. A, come. B, coming. C, came. Few students in the class dashed the answer. A, knows. B, know. C, knew. Scarcely had she entered the room, she fainted. A, when. B, then. C, one of the players dash injured. A, were. B, was. C, are. Quote, They dash playing for hours before we arrived. A. Have been. B. Had been. C. Were. He would not have failed if he dash more. A. Studies. B. Had studied. C. Studied. A. Interested, not a single student. Answer. By entering, co-containing, of the stud, calcontaining, next. He talks as though he dash a millionaire. A is, B was, C were. I suggest that he dash early. A. Arrives. B. Arrive. C. Arrived. If she dashed me, I wouldn't be here. A. Helps. B. Had helped. C. Helped. I regret dash her the truth. A. Telling. B. To tell. C. Tolda. The committee dash reached a decision. A. Has. B. Have. C. Is. He said that he dashed there before. A. Has gone. B. Had gone. C. Went. I'll call you when he dashed back. A. Comes. B. Will come. C. Came. Not only you, but I dash responsible. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. You had better dash now. A. To leave. B. Leave. C. Leaving. Would you mind dash at the door? A. Close. B. Closing. C. To close. The number of participants dash increasing A are B is C where. I'll help you after I dash my work. A. Finish. B. Will finish. C. Finished. Is this made? Dash all the rules. A. Earn. B. Learning. C. To learn. He is used to dash late at night. A. Work. B. Working. C. Worked. This is the man whose car dash stolen. A was, B is, C has. They dash never been abroad before. A has, B have, C had. Dash he rich, he would travel more. A if, B had, C were. I saw her dash into the building. A. Going. B. Go. C. To go. Time and tide dash for none. A. Wait. B. Waits. C. Waited. She would have helped if she dashed able. A was. B had been. C were.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.